Hey guys, I got a lobang. Now you can pay condo prices for a landed lifestyle.
This home, the Rainforest, offers something most condos can't. This unit has a massive patio that's larger than most living rooms.
So for this unit, we have the living area and the dining area in the landscape mode, giving you plenty of space to host your friends. This room is connected to the patio.
Lastly, let's take a look at the master bedroom. The room is spacious and functionable.
Imagine morning coffee over here, weekend gathering with your friends, or your kids' own outdoor playground.